It is Saturday night, September the 6th, 2025. This video is being shot for Gary Nolan. Lord, I pray a special prayer of favor that you bring something incredible into this screen that's going to convince Gary Nolan that this is a gift and you want me to be part of telling the story. I pray for that perfect timing, Lord. Whatever you so choose. Lord, there's a satellite right there. I ask for your favor to just bring something crazy cool right there